Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is heights and distances. Now a question. A ladder rests against a wall at the angle alpha to the horizontal. Its foot is pulled away from the wall through a distance A. Show that if slides a distance B down, the wall making an angle beta with the horizontal, then tan alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to. Okay, now here, okay, this is a wall. Now this is a horizontal. Okay, now from the horizontal, now the angle of elevation is alpha. Okay, now angle of elevation is alpha. Now its foot is pulled away from the wall a distance a distance A, and also slides a distance B here, a distance B. Now the angle, the wall making an angle beta. Now the wall making an angle beta. Here angle beta. Now here O, A, B. Now C, D. Okay. Now here AD and BC are length of the ladders. Now here L and here also same L. Okay. Now AD is equal to BC is equal to now L. Okay, now here two triangles is there, OAD triangle and also OBC. First from triangle OAD, triangle OAD. Now sin alpha is equal to, now sin alpha is equal to OD by L. OD by L. Now OD is equal to L sin alpha. OD is equal to L sin alpha. Next, same triangle cos alpha is equal to OA by cos alpha is equal to OA by L. Okay, now OA is equal to L cos alpha. Okay, another triangle OBC. Now triangle OBC. Now sin theta, sin beta is equal to, now your angle is sin beta. Sin beta is equal to OC by L. Now OC by L. OC is equal to L sin beta. OC is equal to L sin beta. Next, from triangle OBC same, cos beta is equal to, now cos beta is equal to, now OB by L. OB by L. Now OB is equal to L cos beta. OB is equal to L cos beta. Now from triangle here, small a, you want small a. Small a means AB. AB means total OB minus OA. Small a is equal to, small a is equal to AB. AB means total OB minus OA. Next here small b. Small b means CD. Small b is equal to CD. CD means OD minus OC. OD minus OC. Okay, now small a is equal to, small a means is equal to AB. OB minus OA. OB minus OA. Now OB value is L cos beta minus OA value L cos alpha. Okay, now L common, cos beta minus cos alpha. Okay, next small b. Small b means CD. CD means OD minus OC. OD minus OC. Now OD value L sin alpha. L sin alpha minus OC value L sin beta. Okay, now here L common, sin alpha minus sin beta. Sin alpha minus sin beta. Now small a by b. Now here equation 1 and here also equation 2. Now equation 1 by 2. Okay, now 1 by 2 is equal to equation 1 by 2 is equal to, now a by b is equal to L into cos beta minus cos alpha by L into sin alpha minus sin beta. Now here LL cancel. Now cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D. 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2 by, now sin C minus sin D. 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, sin alpha minus beta by 2 here. Now a by b is equal to tan alpha plus beta by 2. Now tan alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to a by b. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one is ABCD is a trapezium such that AB and CD are parallel and BC perpendicular CD. If angle ADB is equal to theta, now BC is equal to P and CD is equal to Q. Then AB is equal to, okay, now ABCD is a trapezium. Now here A, B, C, D is a trapezium. AB and CD are parallel. AB and CD are parallel. And BC perpendicular CD. BC perpendicular, now here CD. Angle ADB. Now here angle ADB is equal to here theta. Now BC here small p and CD is equal to small q. Okay. Now AB is equal to, find AB. Now here this one theta, sorry here theta, this one alpha. Let angle CDB is equal to alpha. Here alpha means this one also alpha. Now find angle BAD. Angle BAD is equal to 180 minus angle ADB plus angle DBA. Now 180 minus theta plus alpha. 180 minus theta plus alpha. Now angle A is equal to pi minus theta plus alpha. Okay, now here apply from triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. Now apply sine rule. Now AB by sine theta. AB by, now AB by sine theta is equal to, now BD by sine pi minus theta plus alpha. Pi minus theta plus alpha. Okay, now AB is equal to BD sine theta. BD sine theta by sine 180 minus theta plus alpha sine theta plus alpha. Okay, and also from triangle BCD, from triangle BCD. Now sine alpha is equal to sin alpha is equal to P by BD. Now cos alpha is equal to Q by BD. And also BD is equal to BD square. BD square is equal to, now according to this one, P square plus Q square, square root of, now BD is equal to square root of P square plus Q square. BD square is equal to P square plus Q square. Now BD sin theta by sin A plus B, sin theta cos alpha plus cos theta sin alpha. Okay, now already sin alpha, now AB is equal to BD sin theta by, now BD sin theta by, now sin theta into cos alpha value Q by BD plus, now cos theta into P by BD. Now BD common, BD square sin theta by, now Q sin theta plus P cos theta. Now BD square value P square plus Q square into sin theta by, now Q sin P cos theta plus Q sin theta by P cos theta plus Q sin theta. Therefore, find AB means AB is equal to P square plus Q square into sin theta by P cos theta plus Q sin theta. Option 1 is the correct one. Next one is, a tower stands at the center of a circular park. A and B are 2 points on the boundary of the park such that AB is equal to A. Subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the foot of the tower. Now, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from A or B is 30 degrees. The height of the tower is, okay, now consider a circular park. Now your center is O. O is the center. Now A and B are 2 points. Here A, this one A, and here B are 2 points. Okay. Now AB, A are given. Here small a. Okay. Now an angle 60 degrees of the foot of the tower. Okay. Okay, this is a tower. Tower H. This one is a H. Here angle 60 degrees. This one 90 degrees. Now the angle of the top of the tower from A or B is 30 degrees. Here 30 degrees. Okay. Now height of the tower H. Here O, A, B. Here T. Now OT is equal to height of the tower is equal to h. Okay, next here AOB, angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. Angle AOB is equal to, since angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. Now here OB, OA are radii. OA is equal to, OB is equal to radii. And also angle OBA 60, same now a radius means angle OBA 60, angle OAB is equal to 60. Angle OBA is equal to 60 and also angle OAB is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Triangle OAB is a equilateral triangle. Therefore, OB is equal to OA is equal to AB is equal to A. Okay, now here from triangle OAT, triangle OAT. Now tan 30 is equal to, tan 30 degrees is equal to H by, and here also all are same, here A, this one also A, H by A. Tan 30 is equal to H by A. Okay, now tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Now 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to H by A. Okay, now H root 3 is equal to A. Now find H, height of the tower. H is equal to A by root 3. Now height of the tower is equal to A by root 3. Option 3 is the correct one.